So in a recent episode, I shared with you guys my EDC, everything I carry on my person, and I tallied it up, and it ends up that, everything I carry regularly costs, over $4,000. I know, insane. But there's gotta be a more affordable way to have really cool items on your person without breaking the bank or being a walking loot drop. So I took it upon myself to build a really functional, fun, and affordable EDC for $100 or less. You're gonna be shocked at what I was able to put all together in a really fun package for not a lot of money. Now, I'm going to be having affiliate links to every single thing in this episode in the description of this video, so click those links, shop around, and you support the channel. It is 7:34 a.m. Let's get down to business. So first things first, I don't think you can really have an EDC without a proper wristwatch, and after all, this is the Time Teller channel, so we gotta start with this awesome Casio W800. Now, just because you're going for an affordable piece of kit doesn't mean you have to pick something that's absolute garbage, and this is very, very far from being some disposable rubbish. But what I will say is it's easily replaceable. Okay, I was able to buy this brand new for $21.92. You're getting a 100-meter water resistance rating, a stopwatch, dual time, backlight, alarms, and it's not technically a G-Shock, but it's essentially a G-Shock. An awesome watch. I unboxed it yesterday on this channel. Check that out. And yeah, this is kind of the foundation of this sub $100 EDC. Next, we have to add a flashlight to the kit. Every EDC kit has a flashlight, and think about it. You use one all the time on your phone, but sometimes you need to find your phone, and having a nice flashlight on hand is very, very helpful, but you don't want something cumbersome. You don't want something too big, and this RiseSmart's 3.5-inch little tactical torch is what they call it, is perfect. 100 lumens, and honestly, 3.5 inches, that's kind of huge. That's really big. Almost unusable. Maybe painful. And it's $6.99. Next up, the official pen of Pen 15 gang. The coolest gang. You want to join? Comment Pen 15. Alright, the Smoother Pro bolt action pen made out of aircraft aluminum, so it's very, very light, but it has some really nice grooves and texturing, so you have a nice purchase on that pen, and it has a tungsten glass breaker on the back. So along with that kind of bolt action thing to extend the pen tip, it's kind of a fun fidget toy, but also there's some added functionality with that glass breaker, and I paid $13.99 for it brand new. Alright, all you blade aficionados, now's the time to talk about maybe my favorite part of this EDC, the knife. I got a BGT folding knife with a Tanto blade. This thing is razor freaking sharp. It is not the most high-end, fancy schmancy blade by any means. This is a, quote, cheap knife. It does have a ball bearing system, and it is very, very satisfying to flick open and lock and unlock. It is very satisfying and has some nice heft to it. But boy, is this blade freaking sharp. And it looks cool with the kind of stone-washed finish on the scales. I was able to buy this for $14.99 on Amazon. A really, really cool knife. It looks mean, it looks sharp, and it is all of those things. It is awesome. Love this thing. Okay, now to a wallet. Now, my BV wallet, Bottega Veneta, very, very fancy schmancy and super expensive. I think it was $650 new, and I don't want to always do that. There has to be a cheaper, cooler alternative, and I chose this Turbo Snail leather card holder. Now, I don't know what this has to do with turbos, but it looks really cool, looks kind of distressed, and it seems of decent quality so far. Nice snap button there, and yeah, it holds my cards, holds some cash for something that you can just slip in your pocket or slip in a pack and then slip out. It's just very easy for EDC, and yeah, it was really, really cheap. I got it for $15.55. And then obviously I had to go with a Zippo lighter. Dude, having a Zippo, it's functional, but also the perfect fidget toy. It makes noise, it's very tactile with the clicks and the noises it makes when you close it, open it, then you hit the flint. It's very, very cool and fun to play with. Very inexpensive, $5.08. Insane. and you just know it's going to work, and it looks awesome. And then finally, all of this gear easily fits in this max top large crossbody fanny pack with 4 zipper pockets, and I chose the camo variant. This is $11.98. It is lightweight, but it feels durable. And again, it has 4 zipper pockets and a little clip, like a lanyard clip inside, so you can put keys or maybe like a Swiss Army knife that you can detach in there. Very, very cool. And again, it kind of looks tack and just easy to wear, especially because I don't always want to have a backpack on. And sometimes I want to have something that is outside of my pockets. So having this fanny pack and having all that gear in there, it's just fun, and it looks really cool, and it's very inexpensive. So the grand total is $97.01. That is pretty cool. I think I did pretty well getting all of this really fun, functional equipment for under $100. So there you have it, guys. A really fun, really functional, and affordable EDC that I think looks pretty dang cool, if I do say so myself. And it kind of opened my eyes. It blew my mind a little bit just to see how much really cool equipment you can get for not a whole lot of money. I don't need to be walking around with a bunch of really expensive gear just so that I can feel like I have a well-rounded batch of equipment to pull from day to day. So if you were surprised too and you enjoyed this EDC, I've left links to every single thing in this fanny pack in the description below so that you can shop around. And again, those are affiliate links, so when you click those and use them, you do support the channel, and I thank you. So let me know in the comment section below, what's your favorite item in this sub $100 EDC kit, and what were you most surprised to see? Alright guys, I will catch you on the next one. I'm Jory Goodman, the time teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time, I just tell it.